background noises go off, and I do not really care. Sorry if you guys can't hear me, but we are currently getting a storm. Tell me, isn't that insane, brother?
That tree is about to fall.
And that tree is almost about to fall, too.
Have you seen the Tom Holland video?
You see that tree? That tree's about to fall.
The one with the
Hi, Mommy. Say hi to my YT, my YouTube. I'm not your thing. Well, it was on. Guys, look how crazy that is.
Mama, that tree was all the way bent.
Yeah, I was like this close to falling.
How does it not fall?
One of those papayas are gonna drop. Oh yeah, I bet that.
It's cold out.
Look how insane that is. My phone's getting wet.
These are so loud. I'm singing in the rain.
Ah! My phone's getting wet.
Mama, they always think that like they're my
Also, guys, tomorrow is season 10 of Fortnite Battle Royale. Look, it's leaking. Ah!
It's like,
I got wet.
Mama, it was like in the ditch.
Dude, I love recording rain. My phone's getting all wet.
Can I get my swimsuit on and run it? Why not? You're so stupid. Why would you do that? Oh, that's right.
Okay, that's what. I wouldn't be doing a live stream right now, but it's still like super insane because that tree is almost about to fall. And there's mist everywhere, so I'm just gonna have to say peace out. Sub to me, like the video, and peace out. Peace.